If you've been convicted of a DUI in Colorado, you can immediately reinstate your license and regain full driving privileges. Let us be your one-stop resource to help you through the process. We want to help explain your options based on the offense. Immediately after receiving your DUI conviction, you should first contact the Colorado Division of Motor Vehicle Driver Services to see if you qualify for early license reinstatement with an interlock. You'll also need to obtain an SR22 certificate from your insurance company. If you've been convicted of a first offense DUI, you may be able to reinstate your license early on the first day your revocation goes active. To make sure you don't face any delays in regaining driving privileges, you should install your ignition interlock device as soon as possible. If you were convicted of driving with a breath alcohol content above 0.15, you'll be required to keep your ignition interlock device installed for 2 years. If you were convicted of driving while intoxicated with a breath alcohol content below 0.15, you'll be required to have your ignition interlock device installed for 9 months. If you were convicted of a second offense DUI, you may be able to reinstate your license on the first day your revocation goes active with the installation of an ignition interlock device. For second offense DUIs, you'll be required to keep your ignition interlock device installed for 2 years. If you are convicted of 3 alcohol-related or other qualifying offenses over a 7-year period of time, your license will be revoked for 5 years. You may be eligible for early reinstatement of driving privileges with the installation of an ignition interlock if you have served up to 2 months of license revocation and have been approved for early reinstatement by the department. In Colorado, compliance with your ignition interlock device requirements is critical. The interlock device must be serviced every 45 days, and any interlock-restricted driver who fails to report for device servicing is subject to a full license suspension with no driving privileges. LifeSafer works closely with Colorado's Division of Motor Vehicle Driver Services to ensure all ignition interlock requirements are met. Whether you choose to install with LifeSafer or not, please use us as a resource to help you get back on the road as quickly as possible. Our goal is to make the process easy for you by providing a reliable, easy-to-use device. We will price match competitors so you know you're getting a fair cost without hidden fees, and our team is here to support you every step of the way. Visit the link at the end of the video if you want one of our state experts to check the status of your license. We know this process can be overwhelming. As one of the most trusted interlock providers in Colorado, we'll get you through it.